you, Chairwoman Waters, Ranking Member McHenry, members of the committee. I'm happy to discuss with the committee my purchases of GameStop shares and my discussions of their fair value on social media.
So he did.
It is true that my investment in that company multiplied in value many
Probably know
times.
that by now.
For that, I feel enormously fortunate. I also believe the current price of the shares demonstrates that I've been right about the company. A few things I am not. I'm not a cat.
He's been right about the
I am
company.
not an institutional
Hold on.
investor.
How has he been right about the company like he created this whole Reddit group chat? Hold on a minute. Let's just get back into this video. I don't know. I don't know if what I'm saying is wrong or maybe I'm confused, but let's just watch this.
Clients.
Hold on. Wait.
Rewind. Investment advice.
Rewind.
I'm not an institutional investor, nor am I a hedge fund.
He's not a cat. Hold on. I know I heard that.
A few things I am not. I'm not a cat. I am not an institutional investor.
He's not a cat. He's not a cat. Is he throwing shade at them, or is he like trying to be cocky, sarcastic? I don't know. What do you guys think? Put that in the comments. You probably seen this video already, or maybe not, but you think he's like trying to be smart? Like, what's he trying to do? I don't know why he added that statement in there.
I do not have clients, and I do not provide personalized investment advice for fees or commissions. I'm just an individual whose investment in GameStop and posts on social media were based upon my own research and analysis. I grew up in Brockton, Massachusetts. My family was not wealthy.
Cool, bro.
My father was a truck driver, and my mom a registered nurse.
Cool, bro.
I was one of 3 kids and the first in my family to earn a 4-year college degree when I graduated from Stonehill College in 2009. That was not a good time to be looking for a job. From 2010 to 2017, I worked at a few startup companies, but there were significant periods.
I hope this is leading up to something, because is he supposed to tell his life story or give his statement on whatever this case, like, alright. I don't know. This is a pretty long opening statement. I was born in 1995.
When I was unemployed. I took an interest in the stock market, and even though I had very little money, I used those times to educate myself and learn more about investing.
That's facts. If you are scared to get in the stock market and because you don't have a lot of money, listen to this guy. I started low. He started low with barely any money. It's just a good experience, and you don't need a lot of money to start and learn. Yeah, so take that into consideration. If you are not trading it, I'm not telling you should do so, but if you feel like you want to but you don't have enough money, that doesn't matter. You can trade with $5. It's all for the practice until you build your way up. I'm going to play this video now.
2019, after nearly 2 years unemployed, I accepted a marketing and financial education job at MassMutual. My wife Caroline and I were thrilled that I had an income.
He's born in Massachusetts. I'm also Massachusetts, homie. Just thought I'd put that out there. Where you guys from? Drop that in the comments.
And benefits. My job was to help develop financial education classes that advisors could present to prospective clients. I was not a stockbroker or a financial advisor. I did not talk to clients, and I did not recommend stocks for them to buy.
Not a financial advisor.
Before and after I joined MassMutual, I studied and followed stocks. One of those was GameStop. In early June of 2019, the price of GameStop stock declined below what I thought was its fair value. I invested in GameStop in 2019 and 2020 because, as I studied the company, I became more and more confident in my analysis. 2 important factors, based entirely on publicly available information, gave me confidence that GameStop was undervalued. First, the market was underestimating the prospects of GameStop's legacy business.
I also did think it was undervalued, but I think everyone was just like panicking because everyone was hearing like, yeah, everyone's downloading games. No one goes to GameStop anymore, but I don't know. We'll see where this stock goes.
and overestimating the likelihood of bankruptcy. I grew up playing video games and shopping at GameStop, and I plan to continue shopping there. GameStop stores still provide real value to consumers and reliable revenue for GameStop.
Besides trading in your games for 5 cents that you paid $60 for, but hey, I don't work for the company. I'm just saying. If you know, you know.
Second, I believe that GameStop has the potential to reinvent itself as the ultimate destination for gamers within the rapidly growing $200 billion gaming industry. GameStop has a unique opportunity to pivot toward a technology-driven business.
It does.
By embracing the digital economy, GameStop may be able to find new revenue streams.
It does. Why is it taking GameStop so long to say, okay, like, make deals with, like, you guys know if you look up a game on an Xbox, right? Why can't they come up with some sort of deal where their labels on the top of that game, even when you download it, so they have like a percent or a cut, or like, it's just, you know what I'm saying? It's their brand, but they need to get more into the digital world, because especially with COVID, no one's really going out and buying video games
That vastly exceed the value of its business. I am hardly the only person who has advocated these points. When I wrote and spoke about GameStop on social media with other individual investors, our conversations were no different from people in a bar or on a golf course or at home talking or arguing about a stock. Hedge funds and other Wall Street firms have teams of analysts working together to compile research and analyze shares of companies. Individual investors do not have those resources. Social media platforms like Reddit, YouTube, and Twitter are leveling the playing field. The idea that I use social media to promote GameStop stock to unwitting investors and influence the market is preposterous.
Pause right there. If you are going off just social media, trying to chase a quick come up and toss all your capital in, you lose money, that's your fault. All right, that's your problem. You shouldn't be, oh, this guy said to go buy this, I'm gonna go dish all my money into it. Like, even if it's popular, if you feel like you missed the trend and it's like, damn, you missed out on an opportunity, there's always going to be another one, so don't worry about that.
My post did not cause the movement of billions of dollars into GameStop shares. It is tragic that some people lost money, and my heart goes out to them.
Right.
But what happened in January just demonstrates again that investing in public securities is extremely risky. As I said earlier, I consider myself and my family fortunate with our investment. When the stock price broke $20 in December, I knew my investment was a success. I was so happy to visit my family in Brockton for the holidays. The money will go such a long way for us. We had an incredibly difficult 2020. Most difficult was the tragic and unexpected loss of my sister Sarah in June. I am grateful to be in a position to give back to and support my family. As for what happened in January, others will have to explain it. It's alarming how little we know about the inner workings of the market. And I am thankful that this committee is examining what happened. I also want to say that I support retail investors' right to invest in what they want, when they want. I support the right of individuals to send a message based on how they invest. As for me, I like the stock. I'm as bullish as I've ever been on a potential turnaround for GameStop.
He likes the stock. That's just another add-on on why the stock could potentially pop. Listen, don't come at me if you think that's so wrong, but I currently do own some GameStop, and I'm currently down, like a lot of people. So, you know, see the last 10 seconds of this video.
And I remain invested in the company. Thank you. Cheers, everyone.
Oh, that's it.
Thank you.
Well, there you guys have it. Keith Gills' opening statement. Keith Gills' opening statement at Congress. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. This is just a little reaction video. Go check out my other videos, Best Stocks to Buy Now, Stock Market Crash 2021, all that good stuff. These videos I work hard on. This is just a quick reaction video, so, you know, if you can, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, nothing else to say. Thank you guys. Lottery Stocks out.
Are you hoping where I get you shot like a movie sketch? One shot, he drop.
fuck a hooligan. How we gon' get to this bag when we focus on gunplay, but trapping is all that we got. All of us gon' make it one day like church.